Hi, we are in Rawai Beach, Phuket, Thailand. It's Sunday, about 12 noon. Just walking around the beach here. Very relaxing, very peaceful. Everywhere is a seafood restaurant. Everywhere 7-Eleven, really easy, open 24 hours. Seafood restaurant, that's Rawai Pier over there. Then to the right over there is Rawai Seafood Market. To the left is Chalong Pier and Phuket Town. We go there later. This is Soy Kok Makam. A lot of guest houses, hotel along here. Thai Palace. Such French bakery, a lot of French restaurant and coffee shop. There's a lot of back roads. They have the main road on the right. Restaurant, the Buddha tree. Wow, really nice tree. Yeah, really beautiful. So the beach is this way and then the city the other way. Soy Wasana, Rawai Park School, Rawai private villas. A lot of villas. Really peaceful and really affordable down here. More foods. Drill wood. Burger. Pasta. Right now it's 12 noon, so most of the places are probably still closed. They usually open late at night, afternoon, when it's cool. These are some of the sports bar. Oh, there's the airport bus there. Airport bus to Phuket Airport, Rawai. Coffee shop. A lot of coffee shop in Rawai. Restaurant, coffee shop. Barber shop. 100 baht. $3 for a hair shop cut. Laundry. We got all the Rawai Phuket full access. A lot of cheap rentals. Room for rent. Fully furnished. It's the laundromat. Thai rentals, massage, food. Yeah. That's the temple, Thai temple. Look at all the foods. Part of the city, right? Washaway, do laundry. It's the soap, and then the coin change, and then that's the washing machine. That's the price right there, 40-50 baht. We got the laundromat doing the laundry. That's the price. 20 kilogram, 15 kilogram. It's like it's 15 kilogram. This size or the smaller one. The small one is 30-40 baht. Place, huh? I like Rawai, really cheap. So we got the 10 kilogram and the 15 kilogram. This one is the 15 kilogram. Oh, they have the 10 kilogram right here. Oh, very hidden. I like this one. This one fast. The other one take a long time. This is a new machine right here. So, surprise, 40 baht. Really cheap. 30 baht dry, and then over there is washing 40 baht. So really good price.